This video explains how you can find the future rateable value of your property. Throughout this video, we will use example addresses. We will be showing screenshots from the Find a Business Rates Valuation service. Before watching this video, you will need to sign in or register for a Business Rates Valuation Account. We have a YouTube video on how to register titled Business Rates Valuation Account Registration. Firstly, log into your Business Rates Valuation Account on gov.uk. Go to the Your Properties section on the dashboard and select the link that refers to the number of properties you have. In this example, we will select the You Have 62 Properties link. Next, find the property you are looking for in the list of Your Properties. Select the property by clicking on the address. This will take you through to a screen with both your current valuation and your future valuation. Your future valuation shows what your rateable value will be from the 1st of April 2023. To see the details of your future valuation, click Select this valuation. Your future valuation is not the amount you pay. It is used to calculate your business rates bill. This screen will show you valuation details, property details, and how this valuation is calculated. It contains the factual information that we have used in the valuation of your property. If you think that any of the information we hold about your property is incorrect, select the Help with this Valuation tab under the address. Alternatively, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Get Help with this Valuation. For further information on business rates, go to gov.uk.